So what reaction na about from some of the party communicators, ne grassroots for ni biyewo social media, no, you get the feeling say for most of them, no, sisi akra de yabrel, de bia na unkwa, na de obeye bia ye. You get that feeling from the reaction, no?
Obi, I'll be dishonest to say I don't get that feeling because I mean social media they be a meteor.
Yes.
Except to say yes, party for them
okay.
He will still need the Kennedy Agyapong on his side. What I say? What about also the silent people? We have a party as Sebio. We have the track record to say, of course, I mean, in the name of discipline. Former general secretary. I mean, we saw how he was handled. Former chairman. And they but other people also maybe they have been handled their dispute resolution and reconciliation better. But at the end of the day, what is the consequential effect on the party? In the yes, party people or traditional party people who are so much conservative about protecting the image of the party who show concerns. But what about also the ordinary Ghanaians? So let's even assume, without admitting that Kennedy was even wrong, that's an assumption. You will still need him. You will still need Nkofo. You will still need people that look up to him. Instead of say, we are justifying who was right or who is not right. Why don't we sit down, say sorry to each other? Let's forgive ourselves and move on. So we can do a deal.
Yeah.
The concern is no reason. If we had listened to him yesterday, or say, may I any chairman Sakoya Juma, may I any Abronya campaign, may I any Coca campaign, may I any Adrasa campaign. Don't you think this is a man who is making an honest admission that this is what worries me? So let's address it.
Yeah, but he also said, but also can
address them.
Yeah, because he also can fanko for the sanko for no be Danny on a campaign. Why should it just be one-sided?
Obi, and you're one-sided a cry. Is that not the reason why I'm saying say this offers a movement for reconciliation?
Okay.
And once again, provoking all dispute mechanisms and addressing them. Dispute mechanism is not one-sided. Reconciliation is not one-sided. Openi can ask we there's openi once a media ebia no ya dream by kwan afa so kan na yesu se kefa ne say in 10,000 yenka. We so say bi asem ya kan o dem ma ke BP. Oi, ebia ke rule baby ayede. And if other person also have concerns, Ken is not the same. I mean, I'm one of the people bra oka Dr. Bawumia said Dr. Bawumia liar. Me here na my friend am say asem no kra won mu eka no. The information and the report I had no can say Bawumia na in town no. What I say is one of his team members who misrepresented the facts. I even drew his attention. What I say, he obviously he's also a human being. He may have a strength and he also may have his weakness, just like any other person. But that is the whole essence of party building, party rebuilding, party reconciliation. We are not saying he's the only person that has been hurt.
Sure.
But we are saying, in a party like this, when concerns are raised, we shouldn't be so dismissive about it. The party is run by human beings. The party is not run by robots. The party is not run by programmed computers. They are so mechanical. Even program computers make mistakes. AI sometimes can make mistakes depending on how you prompt in. And he said, party me, a member to me hurt a party now. The party which is also run by human beings and not angels can also hurt a member. But would we be on radio and arguing back and forth? No. Please, let's get a truce. I find no chance about this really me fanko. I share the movie at the cinema boyina. But before say I assume you know who run the bread. If I enter them, ye bibia man in Yajuma. Na fe yi da yen kai humum. Ochena you miracles mo ko Yajuma, or what the namana kwesi party and the voice of the namha. Na yes because and now share global info analytics and you are the buy who is or yambashi wo. Or see if you are to replay 2024, NPP will be doing 34%. Anna, NDC with Mahama will be doing 63%. Let's assume Mahama will not even be going. And the emphasis 10% and crying higher deal because they will be bringing a new candidate. Also be doing under 50%.
Yes.
So why do we think, say, at a moment like this, we cannot forgive each other, where irrespective of who is right or who is wrong and come together and stop being mechanical and a permanent free party and a who does it benefit?
I get you a bit, but I mean, knowing Honorable Ken, no, like you do you think, sir, and from how he spoke yesterday, you know, are you amenable to any form of reconciliation?
One say, Omo ka Omo adwen pa no. So I said, yeah, Omo ka wi na free ho. And when him Ken and Sam okay, you know, but I can assemble. This is my personal view.
Okay.
Say any contest in Yako. And I Ken I say the usual Ken, this wouldn't have been an issue. It's just right after the contest.
Yeah.
And everybody could read any meaning into this. And also who said then he also have to also make his claims very clear. Oh guys, Afriyie Assembly. I mean, Afriyie Assembly was just an opportunity to say that NPP Ghanaians hold us to a higher standard. And when we have an opportunity to finish a project, we should have finished. Other than that, when we question the NDC or criticize them, Ghanaians will refer us to cry about. Kennedy ordinarily has always been criticizing both NPP and NDC. But the reason why that became an issue was because we have just moved from a very tense election. And that should presuppose that we should admit that all is not well. And if all is not well, what do? We need to provoke the reconciliation battles.
But there is such a thing called anti-party conduct. I mean, even a simple dipstick surveyor, a lot of more party members would have issues with the party, would have issues. In fact, Nansaya mo polling station elections, krano, yatete nsem from a lot of polling stations. Baby omantimi antwaba, baby a confusion see party for ne wo nsem eka. But do you think they should all adopt the Honorable Ken approach? Then you guys will have no party, no? And that's why Bianco Free said he's holding the party to ransom too much. And I've read a petition, one of the young guys in the party, Atro, said party no in taking it through the disciplinary process. You think, say, all of that and necessary for now?
We a lawyer ni.
Yes.
They actually a law who pay litigation.
That's true.
Say assembly dina court mu bia tremanso.
Absolutely.
Even in litigation, ya sa tre say if it be dispute resolution.
Yes.
Or settlement in the
yes.
I quite creation
yes.
We are sure say in the wisdom of the framers of the law, no. Omo who say no ebwa answer. And suddenly there's somebody that court. I mean, if you want to be mechanical about everything there, I don't think it will benefit anyone. That's why I said that this is an opportunity for engagement and not an opportunity for condemnation and being mechanical under the umbrella of the law.
Okay.
Well, being mechanical there. In this place, I said that. Well, who provoked those battles? What I say, who provoked those battles? So why is it that they say that those battles has become necessary to provoke? Oh yes, sir. What you are saying, they say, you see, let me put it this way. When somebody loses an election, maybe, just maybe, the person will be at liberty to become better or paint, depending on any description you want to give the person. Fair deal. Because you lose election, be also the edge. But who win election, you have a greater responsibility to ensure, say, even the wire or supposed better and pain, you still bring the person along. Yes, you can be able to take Kennedy Agyapong through party disciplinary process. What is the West? The West is saying this fellow from the party. Are we ready for the consequence of that? Obi, free money so yes, party I'm for one individual. Oh, no individual is bigger than the party. Yes, it is true. No individual is bigger than the party. But an individual's inclusion or exclusion can also affect our fortunes, especially timing. Looking at the timing. Not 2028 is that losing a new candidate to defend it, but also back open 8 years and
in fact, I mean, Omua make his argument nakase before 2016 elections, mo national chairman, mo general secretary, first vice chair, still amu winning elections, and Honorable Ken can go and you can still win. Omo argument, no.
Obi, it is it is not a reconciliation argument. And I mean, for lack of better words, if you ask me, it is not a wise conversation or argument. I don't think that makes us season the facts it presents and the dynamics that it presents. We are at a crossroad where we need numbers. Opamo Kwabena Agyapong, chairman. At that time, what was the mood of the nation? The mood of the nation before Pamo Kwabena Agyapong, the mood was telling, say, you need a minor or what was the mood of the nation then? Can you say the same mood today? Can you say the same mood today? When you compare all the dynamics or no indicators, can you say all the mood today? The mood today requires that the NPP needs to be united as one accord and as stronger as never before as compared to then. At that time, the season then was to demonstrate that we are a party that we are very disciplined. This time around, there's no really about discipline. The dynamics is more on unity than discipline. And when you are focusing on a united dynamic, the conversation should also be a bit softened. For me, if you ask me, those are my comments on it.
2017. We've seen Western wet period, incarceration, detention, imprisonment, and what have you. So please, for goodness sake, so June 2027, no Babakan, with due respect, again, now Babakan. Again, now Babakan. Again, I said the Christian TB that is a monomail. Again, the Christian TB now, and it's a monomail. I think I give him every respect. But my advice is that if he feels that he wants to leave the NPP now, fair enough. You don't wait even up to 2027. You can leave. But you cannot be in a political party and be throwing tantrums left, right, center, and I think that it is not fair. He's not being fair to the party. His supporters are not being fair to the party. So if my good friend Kennedy Agyapong Kokata by Nyawa Jumabia, with due respect, I am not correct.
Nane, what's your name? Was say? Mutimima, Obit is a cocker. Ever did not say on a being so. Na Nipa warrior campaign, my 1 year Bawumia. Yet you expect him to mount the campaign platform. Woman Obit is such a mabronye. Ever did not tell. So I look at the party I am on your BBM my party, no. It is Sanya Manu. No what but as former chairman of the Interior and then Defense Committee of Parliament say, one ye be a true must be told. And no, so many nothing. I want to be a before by a man can say 2027. Go back to Sammy.
NPP for after you, do much and party. Please, don't you? What is out for because Samira or your Fulani? And somebody now what is out for Biman country Bawumia. And somebody now what is out for Blanc country Samira. But you know me opinion of the party. The fact that what is telling kind, you know, I'm a man factor, one hour cast or monka. The fact that Kwamba kind, the fact that they are coca kind, the fact that as soon as you are not being kind. Yeah, praying for what party, no. We should draw the line. So do we also draw the irresistible conclusion that Binu Subana Bawumia say, Binu Bala Bawumia say, Binu Subana Samira say, Binu Sosiwaya say, and irresistibly, one outside the Kuti Pamaba can't ask them no. We don't do that.
Sammy Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Annan. And will be able to some affair in Wasem. And America say, no credit, no credit. Me party for view what we are near. Na me a chairman. A bass, you can't see a call crown or mammy uncle or my pussy a pine. Or can we hear? And what Sababa can say? It will be a burn a finish Fabiano and Gohana Guinea. Namuankas and one bibia. Na, and can no crown case be more friends as Ken. Charlie, where the answer Mrs. Fatica Crow. Sammy says it will be our number. No, we have a press conference. Now, as a press conference, now, my would he be good anymore?
No,
it's be out in the opinion.
Look, my brother, let's be very honest. Kennedy Agyapong is my friend. He has been my client before. He will continue to be my friend. He's my brother. He continue to be whatever. But I am saying that, look, to say, sir, woman yahoshi, banyashi, banyabi bibiano. And you're different from, sir. The year pa na mombenye. Woman ye pa na mombenye. Woman be different, I'm a bemianu. Tell me so, me. I didn't have the NPP people say, oh, now I know one young you, I'm a bemiano. Me can be. Listen, me can be. But you know, me can so. But ye be pa, woman ye be pa. That I can say, oh, you know, piano. And so, well, meaning a pianist custom. That is point number 2. So, what can I ask them to banyashi? No, I'm going to press conference. The year is from store and I can be womb. Derby. 3. So, individual be about the car assembly, a fat will be one. You don't conclude, say, Binum Nasha Binumupa. Anti Sadia, Monton 2027. We don't do that. We don't do that. No, you are in that political party. That is why I started with the definition of a political party. That is why I started with the definition of asare. And when you're better, you may be on my Ubetinia, and you may be one asare with that by Nunam, and about new Preco, and I may cast the National and Krabomeda are growing into better than that. But you know, to say, woman, yashi, by yashi, but the year be prepared. The year be cried, send the NDC government. And so be about why do we vote? We vote to change it for the better. You are to about reset. NPP, you are 90% to cry 100 into your phone to action. And to waba also better was so. You don't need to complain, say, what's not some feeling of hate. One nation, Maba. And the other thing almost about NPP to uncle. What about uncle? Because NPP didn't live up to expectation. And then you know what? And you know, woman, there's no need for equalization. And the two, would have alcohol, that's better the call that the parliamentary hands are saying, Timothy and United. So, individual video was a W platform with you, Menomocasaria, a bonofone baby, any matter. But will it be fair to say, sir, a bonofone for? And I saw a Mukutu possible any matter, man. It will not be fair. It will not be fair. It will not be proper. Because the Katakura Namina in Funibinsia, the Binum Katas are more peaceful. We are here. So please, you are in a political party. That's in a 2027 June. And because you see, there's not starting in amount for say one. Say your woe and your woe. Me, Obriboy, I'm not so particular about that. The bottom line is that, in all honesty, in all sincerity, who am on your comb, with the do's and the do's. And you say, sir, Miyako for one pet, yeah. Anyway, you live. History, the lawyer is Guzitano. In 1999, he broke away from NDC. They formed a reform party. And that's 24-hour economy secretariat. And you're in a shelter. So if you feel that you want to live, fine. If you feel that you want to stay, fine. But if you feel that you want to live out, never mind. You can go. It doesn't change anything. The NPP will continue to be NPP. Look, Asam Naba, Nanya Asam Naba, and Kadankwa Buzia Dombo traditional, and Kenya Nunia, and Kenya Nunia at the time, Mamma Dan and Mark Amen Kuma Pension. At the time, as you were in 1998, the Ghanaian film, Nigerian from Wales. In 1992 to 1996, and yet you know that the bottom line is that NPP. This is the formidable political
party. No, you are Kennedy Agyapong. Wako Ajina na wasaba ame abeto no so aba. Enti oye potential leader of the party.
No two ways about that.
Moto abawie ye ne bra mo beto aba no ensem bi ko so a wono akora ka e wo nanse ne kasa ne bufu ye mu se we didi na tem me kora me ba fidie so be kan se be ya yewura Bawumia no eti onka se me am ye Bawumia no me nti sa eti ba mo nkeka ba nhwedi ko so ma wo mo kekan se me ni Kennedy Agyapong e be hye mi mu ba me ya me edipa wo di say
Because me no wanya adwene. Sɛ ebinum ka kasantwi etia Kennedy Agyapong ama me kan sɛ ya no munya nsɛm amoka. Sɛ ebinum to ka kasantwi etia Bawumia. Eva in the Bawumia dia kurade. Kasantwi bi kura ko tia ne yere ni nya ya member of parliament no. Ni nya ya member of parliament wa danta no. Kasantwi bi ko tia Bawumia kura mo ka sɛ ne yere no ye Fulani. And I said, look at your one said it. So are you saying, sir, I can't do Japan, Kwana Katanchini because you are no Anna? Are you saying, sir, for example, Kwana Katanchini with Yanona? Debbie, the Katanchino name, whichever way. So it will not be fair to catch you on your party, sir. Bawumia Mrabo and Tinamaka. Nanya, near Bishop Bawumia. Also, so no, why are you not inviting Kennedy Agyapong to also come out? He says, sir, men so, you are not being fair to Bawumia. You are not being fair to Samira. We need to be fair to each other. We must be fair to each other. Maybe drawing the curtain, maybe we can't have a year to my family. The person, Obia, Mobia, Nubia, Mobia, Cassandra, Mobia, that the NPP is there. If you decide to join the NPP, you are welcome. If you decide to go out of NPP, good riddance. And NPP will be NPP. So, say, Yahoo, say. But NPP coach now, Monaso, Emma, Wamosanaba in 201. Wamujra, Monaso, Emma, Moba, 2017. We've seen Western, what period? Incarceration, detention, imprisonment, and what have you. So please, for goodness sake, so June 2027, no Babakan. With due respect, a day now Babakan. A day now Babakan. Nadiana said the Christian to be done someone no man. Again, the Christian to be now and someone no man. I think I give him every respect. But my advice is that if he feels that he wants to leave the NPP now, fair enough. You don't wait even up to 2027. You can leave. But you cannot be in a political party and be throwing tantrums left, right, center, and I think that it is not fair. He's not being fair to the party. His supporters are not being fair to the party. So if my good friend Kennedy Agyapong Kokata, by now one Jumabia, with due respect, and you're not correct. Let us be Umrenti. On the 2027 June, this is in politics. Definition of a political party. A depending back at the Huabu. Number one year better and any other pay. That is the definition of a political party. And it is such as otchere or Owusu them personally. Asare no one year better. Asare no one year pay. So won't you man away? You are in a political party. And people over and people when you me obribwahe NPP by school fees in Kuramanya Bita. Me obribwahe Deputy General Secretary Akon Kuramanya Bita. But I've decided to go with MPP, to eat MPP, to work MPP. Me obribwahe and I make on the Yuri house. Me obribwahe na make on the Prema. Me obribwahe na make on Bupeura. Me obribwahe na me call Dombo Chrome. Me obribwahe me bottom sika. Me call Abai Fakabo, the left city. Ni na me ka between sir. Me da so party no. Me party no. Party no the bear ba man bibio me sembadi. I still love the party. Ba unya me ni akuma na po ye me ni akuma. Me pa ya me bon te nya me ma be media konya. Na be da be media konya no konya me to no sa for me me call. So okay tell me what party 2027, the Behum Bibia. You are not being fair to the party. Let me be very honest and sincere. you are not being fair to the party. In all fairness, you have the option to leave or you have the option to stay. You can criticize the party, yes. It should be constructive criticism. Obribo and NPP, Minipos, Miramom, Mampanya Akufo Addo, with the Abanisika Koye Cathedral, and yes, it's a fair criticism. That's in the message, and I mean message, and the man, I mean, what can you actually, Obi, I was young people, now what in the Birum Soka? In the Birum Soka, and say, oh, someone can force animal to you. Bawumia, even when you flag that about. I can maybe an uncle when you're otchere, and that's about me. I said, I will need you. I can need for threatening. What is Asame Bediatuo? What is Asame Bediatuo? So, someone can form some sign. And it looks like there's a justification in what some of them are saying. But maybe I'm into. So, tell Bawumia, more man a come to two. Me poverty to Akoto people. Me poverty to Akoto nsuom. Apimbato benkum, apimbato nifa. Na Nyankopɔn aba ɛwɔ so no. Wɔn bɛdi Bawumia ne NAPO, wɔn asɛm ama wɔn. Nyankopɔn wɔ soro, Nyankopɔn wɔ fam. Sɛne Nyankopɔn ɛhwɛ nipa, sɛne Nyankopɔn hwɛ aboa no. Ma Bawumia n'akoma ntutu, ma NAPO n'akoma ntutu. NPP ni bia wutie mi ne bia no. Kasuru shofam, katia Nyankopɔn sɛ, udima fotiase, na Nyankopɔn obɛkyerɛ promised land Bawumia and NAPO at the end of the
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.